Hi guys, well it's end of the year and it's custom to have something on channel, you know, for the end of the year and start of the new season. I wish you really well in the next year and wish you Merry Christmas and hope you will have a great season in front of you. As if you follow this channel or watch this video, you are a biker and it's a big part of your life, so I wish you a really good season, safe season. So just a couple of words on the channel and what we done in 2024 and what we will do in 2025. So in 2024 we had, you know, quite a few videos. I tried to keep pace for 2 videos per week, and it's not easy, trust me, with all the editing, filming, editing and stuff like that. But somehow I'm still enjoying that, so I hope you enjoy too in my videos and you learn something from them. So we did, you know, FZX, and we had great trips with FZX. I still miss the motion camera and action camera, good one as GoPro or something, to film that better for you, you know. We had some great trips. FZX did great. I mean, I'm very satisfied. I have a couple of issues, but that's what you expect from the 40-year-old bike, and you know, nothing major, so everything worked well there. Now we will service him and get ready for the next season. We had our scooter project and it went, I think, really well, except I lost those, I deleted those 5 videos. Motherfucker, I still cannot believe it, but okay. I think it went well, and we go through the scooter and fix the issues on it and painted it, and yeah, now we have functional scooter waiting for the season. We'll see if I'm gonna sell him or you know, just use it for my movement around the town. We'll see about it. Now we are in the middle of Suzuki DL1000 project. It's my friend Nicola's bike. We have a lot to do there, and hopefully we will make a great bike from it. For now it all went well, and we are quite deep into it. Not many things are left to do. We just need to make some decisions, and someone else will do the plastics and the paint and everything, so we'll just put it on, and I think it will be great before and after picture, as you remember how we get him. 2024 is the year that I fall from the bike after a long time. Yeah, I hit the car. Nothing major happened with the bike. I am okay too. Just a week later, car hit me on the, you know, on the road. I was crossing the road on the Mark Crossroad, and guy hit me with the car. That was really serious, but I'm okay, everything is alright. He messed up with my second part of the season. I didn't go to Fakamze, that bike week that I go every year. I didn't go with my bike, and I'm really sorry for that. I would really like to go with the bike there, but yeah, let's hope 2025 will be the year for that. In 2024 we did the Kawasaki GT 550 project. We end with that project. It was really fun, but it took us like 3 years to finish it. So yeah, hopefully next projects will go much faster. We did a lot of things. We know with the tank, sealing of the tank, carburetors, stuff like that. It was really fun. I learned a lot. Hopefully you learn a lot too from that project. And now that bike is at my friend's, Nicola, and he tend to keep it. He said we did a gentleman's deal that if he wants to sell it, he will sell it to me, as that bike is, you know, we go over everything on that bike. I think it will be a really fucking good bike for my friend. Major thing that influence on the work on this channel is that I don't work anymore in my company. I was in IT business, and I don't know, for now I'm out. I am fucking sick of IT and Zoom meetings and the deliverables and KPIs and you know, projects. No, that I can concentrate on my family, and that's the most important. I can concentrate on my hobby, and that is second most important thing. And I will have enough money for life. So yeah, for now let's see what will happen in the future, but for now I'm really happy like this. So that influence on the channel in the way that I'm able to be more in garage and film more and work on the bikes more. So for the next year we have quite, you know, we'll have interesting year. For start the season I will try to record my road trips somehow, but we will have my friend Andre that you see on some recordings here in garage. He have a garage near me, and he followed the bike. It's Moto Breva 650, I think. So he had a couple of things broken on the bike, and it's not readable now. So we will raise up that bike for the next season, hopefully finish the V-Strom and everything around it. As for 2025, except that Moto Guzzi project, I tend to buy a new project, new bike, and I would like to buy, first thing that I want to buy from the tools is a welding machine, MIG welding machine. So next project would be some tracker or cafe racer or something like that. So customized bike, I hope. There was a chance that I have really cool project for the channel, and it still doesn't fall off, but we need to take care of some papers and customs and stuff like that. But if we go through with that, it will be fucking great. You will not believe what I will buy if everything go well. Trust me, in your wildest dreams you would not guess what come in my way, but it's a long stretch. Yeah, maybe it will happen. If that happens, that will be a project for the whole next year. So yeah, it will be fun. You see my video the garage is ready and I have some bits and pieces to make here, but mostly it's ready. The bikes are here. All here will be, here in garage. I tend to have two bikes, and all time we'll work on parallelly on them, and hopefully make good content for you. I'm still having more videos than subscribers, and that was like fun with my friends to joke with that, but yeah, that tells you that I'm not a good content creator. I don't have that vibe, I guess, for these videos, but this channel was never meant to be some, fun channel. It's meant to be some video log about what I do on bikes. So that this is not actually a step-by-step guide how to maintain your bike or something. It's more how I did it on my bike, and hopefully you can learn something from that videos. But yeah, I'm not a good creator, and I still have like a very low number of subscribers, and I love it. I mean, those people that subscribe on my channel are really a special breed, as real guys, I would say. Look a little bit on analytics of the channel. So I'm really glad that I see that my viewers are from Germany, United Kingdom, USA, Argentina, Asia, Indonesia. So yeah, Australia. So yeah, it's really great. It's best thing about the internet is that some people that have unique interests can find each other in this world. So it's really make me happy, and hello to you all. As a gender, I'm 100% male. So yeah, keep it strong, brothers. That's the kind of expected from the content that I make. And yeah, the 27% is in my age range, so 45, 55 or something like that. So yeah, but I see a lot of viewers are even younger than that. That's really great. So yeah, it's really great to see that statistics, even from the channel with small like this. I'll try to improve my videos, in the matter of how I film it or audio, but don't expect that I will entertain you, to goof around and I don't know, make faces and make thumbnails with my expressions. I really don't like to expose on video, but yeah, you just watch 15 minutes of me on video, but then this will be, for 1 year, I think enough, or if you're looking my face. And that's it, guys. I wish you, as I said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All well in the new season. Ride well, enjoy, be safe, but keep it sketchy. See you guys, and hope you will watch my videos in 2025.